Steak is decent but not perfect. Can I put it back? Oh,
You burned it!
You burned it!
Welcome, everyone. We got the most hilarious CAPTCHA, most infuriating, wasting scammers time today. We all created our own CAPTCHA for the Kitboga Code Jam. So the idea is that Kitboga, well-known YouTuber, he will scam scammers, and he has these most hilarious CAPTCHAs that are meant to be so infuriating and waste their time. So all three of us went and built our own CAPTCHA to submit to this, and today we're gonna go through them and show what we've built, try them out. So who's first?
All right, so this first one actually violates the rules here. I ended up making two. So Wes is going to be trying my violation one, and I'm very sad about that because I thought this was really funny. Wes, you will need to give this microphone access. I will tell you that right now, which is why it breaks the rules.
All right, let's give it a shot.
sing your note.
Sing your note. Oh no. Start singing. Okay. Ooh. Wow! Yeah, that's amazing.
You got it. Nice. Oh my god.
How did you make that?
Oh my god. Well, you're capturing samples and then you're analyzing it to say how close is it to this frequency, and then you're saying if it's within this frequency range. And I will tell you the problem that this one is so hard because if it wasn't like if the frequency range wasn't long enough, you just like could not get it. It was like
what's F sharp?
Just F a little sharper.
I don't know what.
So find an F and then make it a little higher. Well, wait till you see it on the screen.
Try to hold one pitch. You're too loud or too high, I think.
Yeah, there.
Yeah. That's honestly hilarious, and I can't believe I got it so quickly the first time.
I'm shocked, honestly. I picked you because I thought you would have the hardest time with it.
I don't know.
In terms of like, you're thinking like, I want to get scammers trying to sing on camera. To me, that is like hilarious, and I'm so sad that you're not allowed to use Get User Media in this challenge because I thought that was very funny, and I was having a blast building this one. So
nice.
That is a genius idea.
Thank
That's
you.
amazing. Yeah.
All right, this next one I made kind of with Scott in mind.
Great.
When you start it, it presents you with a word problem that you will need to solve.
Okay.
And you can't just like copy paste into ChatGPT and give you the answer. You'll see once you start it, you actually have to choose from drop downs to complete the calculation.
Edna, famous for her meticulous wait a minute cookies. Oh my gosh. This is a long CJ, this is a long word problem.
Exactly. You gotta parse it out. Okay. Yeah.
She needs exactly 169 special vanilla beans. They're not just vanilla beans, they're not just beans, they're special vanilla beans.
Special. Yes.
And old Jebediah, not just Jebediah, once mentioned. So did you just add a bunch of extraneous words into this to make it more difficult?
So there's a lot of red herrings, but there's a lot of Kitboga references in here too. So like Edna and Jebediah are characters that he normally plays.
Okay.
And like, wait a minute is like what scammers will say. It might be too obvious, but it's funny.
Exactly 169. Okay, so two of these values need to equal 169.
Each costing $68.
Okay, one side does. Use 73 beans per batch, but Edna is sticking to her known quantities. 73 beans.
Scott, can I give you a hint? Read the whole problem first, and then decide what you're going to latch onto, because you're latching onto a lot of extra stuff.
I think what you don't understand is that my memory can only hold like 10 words at a time.
A few moments later.
She only buys the necessary number of full packs. Oh.
Yeah, so you can see I give you your calculation. It's some number divided by some number times some number minus some other number. So it gets you a little bit closer. You kind of know what you're at. So
I just pasted the entire app into ChatGPT, and it gave me what values to select, and I got through it.
Fascinating. So like you copy pasted the question, and you're like, give me the calculation, or
no? I literally right clicked on the CAPTCHA container, copied all of the HTML, pasted it into ChatGPT, and it told me which values to select.
Wes, I'm going to need your help here. And by your help,
right.
I mean ChatGPT's help. Because I'm never going to get this. I'll tell you right now, we'll be here.
Well, here's the thing.
362 divided by 42.
Go ahead and try to select 362.
Yeah, that doesn't exist.
Because every time you load, it's new variables for all of the placeholders.
Oh.
Yeah. So
CJ, this is diabolical.
There's different number of cookies. It's...
Oh, this is funny. So does this violate rules?
No, it's all JavaScript. So it's just a JSON file that describes the problem, describes the variables, and then I'm doing a bunch of replace for the variables.
CJ, this thing rips. This is hilarious. This fits the brief so well. If I was a scammer, I would honestly throw my computer out the window. This is so reasonable that it could be a real CAPTCHA, but at the same time, it is insane. Oh my gosh.
Thank you. And right now there's only one problem, but I have it laid out, so I'm going to create several other problems that'll just work with this because it reads it from a JSON file. So it puts the variables, it creates the calculation, gives you the drop downs. Yeah, I can help you get the answer though. Okay, so she needs 169. So it's going to be 169
divided by 13.
Divided by price number per pack, yes. And then you're multiplying that by the total price per pack.
Total price per pack.
Which is $68.
Yeah.
And then you're subtracting the discount, which is $10. Yes, and that should get you the answer. And here's an extra little bit. It gives you a nice description of why that was the answer.
That is amazing. So far, these are absolutely delivering.
All right, this is mine. It's a little bit of a game that starts fun and gets absolutely infuriating. Grill the items to perfection.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I'm doing this one.
You got to click on start cooking first.
Okay, start cooking. Oh, there's sound. Okay. Are they cooking? I guess this puts them onto the grill. Okay. Oh, so I got to get that to 155? Oh, 15 seconds. I see. So it's seconds.
Beautiful.
Yes. Yes. These are so long though. Okay, 35 seconds.
I know. That's the thing. And if there's each item can have a certain amount of cook time. You burned it. Oh, you burned it.
Oh, I thought it was 35. It was just 3 seconds. Okay.
Yeah. The hilarious part now is that now that you've burned something, you must now cook the rest of the items before you can restart.
Okay.
You have to restart if you burn
3, 4, 5.
You can put multiple items on.
Dang it. Yes. Okay. Gotta cook this steak longer.
You gotta retry it.
Oh wait, no, because I burned them. Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's try again.
Where did you get the sound for these? The order up and all that stuff?
All the sounds are from 11 Labs. They have an audio generator where you just type in what you want. So these are all AI generated sounds. Pixel art is ChatGPT.
Yes.
You can't really tell, but the items get progressively darker with the CSS mask.
That. Yeah, I couldn't tell with the mask, but dude, this is a work of art.
Steak is decent, but not perfect. Can I put it back? Oh,
You burned it.
That sound is too much for me. It's a sensory overload. Awesome.
Holy, that was a work of art.
Are the seconds randomized each time, or is it the same amount for each type of thing?
So you can set, for every item, you can set how many seconds and the variation. So the steak has to be done within 0.3 seconds, but it's also 15.
Gosh.
See if I can just get the steak. I'll be happy if I can get the steak. 14. No!
That's fine. It's an order up.
No,
it's okay.
No,
it has to be green. Dang it! And then you can't I burned it again. I can't.
Oh my word!
Awesome. No, okay, I'm done. I can't.
Okay. Actually, I have a funny idea.
Yeah.
Randy, would you be interested in doing my CAPTCHA?
Oh, for sure.
Oh, okay. Because Randy's the only person I think will actually be able to get this. So.
Oh no.
There's no
I hope
singing
this is
involved.
another music one.
It's gonna be embarrassing, isn't it?
It's not going to be embarrassing, and I actually think you'll do just fine. Here's my actual submission because the last one violated some rules, and we're going to toss this one to producer Randy because I'm not sure the other guys will be able to solve this one. In fact, I know Wes will not be able to. So I wanted to give Randy a chance to be able to solve this. And this one actually is configurable, and I am giving you the hardest version of it. But
Oh, great.
Okay.
Great.
I think you'll be just fine.
Yeah, no pressure. Here we go.
Please.
Okay, we got a piano. Oh, okay, here we go. This is easy. Additional. Okay, here we go. Yeah.
Nice.
Try it again. There's a whole bunch of chords. Hit it with a refresh.
Oh, there
now
we
you
go.
gotta play.
Refresh.
Yeah, the
Refresh
greens
the
just aren't
page.
resetting.
All right.
There we go. Yeah. Oopsies. Gotta
That's
fix
okay.
that one.
Okay, here we go. What?
Can you describe your process, Randy? Because it's like
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So I think I need to build the chord starting from the root.
Yeah,
Is that right?
I should say that. You do need to start the chord from the root.
See, I was trying to build it in an inversion. So E minor 7. So we need an E, we need a G, we need a B, and we need a D. There we
Yes!
go.
nice. Yeah.
This is why I picked you, Randy, because
This
I feel
is
like
fun.
CJ and Wes would just be guessing.
I don't
Yeah.
know that I've ever actually seen somebody do this. Like, how does a piano work?
I play a little bit, but I don't have all the theory. But that's why like it's kind of mathematical. It's like this is A minor 7, so A would be your root, and then it's a minor, so is
Yeah.
it the
C natural.
It's a C
C
natural.
natural?
Yeah.
And
And then
then
the 7th
E.
is like 7 from A, and it's like A B C D E F G. So 7 from A would be
Yeah. So if we count up, it'd be 1, 2, 3,
What about the little
4,
black
5.
boys up top?
Those
Well,
you use them on.
depends.
Yeah. If this was an A major chord, you'd have the C sharp instead.
Okay.
But we need the G for the 7th here.
Oh my gosh.
Yes,
This is fun.
Randy. I'm so glad I picked
Brings
you
me
for
right
this.
back to school. It's great. I like it. I like the little boops too. They sound nice.
Yes. Yeah, it plays a little tone. Plays a little sine tone.
Is that using audio context to generate
Yeah,
those?
it is. Yeah.
Nice. Oh man, Randy could be a scammer.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Randy.
I gotta say the
Yeah.
music is a lot more pleasant in this one than in Wes's.
that was a bit too much. Yeah.
Mine is so unnerving. Like I had to turn it off while I was developing because it was just
Oh,
like
gosh.
stressing me out.
All I can think of is a bunch of scammers in a room listening to Wes's, all coming through their speakers.
You're burning it.
All right, so this one was inspired by XKCD. And so this is XKCD number 2228. And it says, to prove you're a human, click on all the photos that show places you would run for shelter during a robot uprising. So the idea being that like a bot wouldn't know the right images to select. So I came up with
that's
lots
good.
of different prompts that are similar that maybe only humans could do.
It's like the images depicting a place you'd hide your most embarrassing childhood story.
Diary.
Diary.
Book. Oh, diary.
You
Oh
guys can
my
help them out
gosh.
too. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have to imagine a vault.
Do you have access to a vault as a child?
I don't.
Yeah.
Drawer, best drawer, top left.
Yeah, you missed the drawer. So,
Oh.
and you have to get 3 of them right, and it's going to keep cycling through them until you get at least 3 right.
Select all images that depict a situation would be a minor inconvenience.
Top left.
Spilling. Yeah, it's minor. Low battery.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
minor.
Oh yeah.
Not having anywhere to hold your hands on the subway.
Yeah, that's minor. Yeah. I think that's it because
A
the
little
computer
cut.
one isn't
No,
a
paper
minor.
cut.
Okay, paper cut.
I missed the
But it-
answer. No.
Yeah, you technically, the spilling, I mean, I guess it did say minor inconvenience, but spilling on your laptop is also a minor inconvenience, I guess.
Make you feel
That's not minor at all. That puts you out of work. That's major.
Make you vague sense of existential dread. I cannot handle that. I can't handle existential dread. Oh
Yeah,
man.
this is subjective. Each of you can tell me which of these make you feel like existential.
Bottom right, middle right, top right, top middle, and I think that's it for me personally.
All right.
Yeah, you're missing a few. So the idea is it's I think this is the last one, and then it'll cycle through, and you got to try again.
Okay, so you'll probably get them over time.
Yeah,
Items you would not find in your soup. So what did you use to
Car
generate
keys.
these?
I used Midjourney.
Oh, spider.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you don't
a
want that in your
spider.
soup. All right, I think you guys are really
I
good at
think-
identifying
I think we
bad
got
things
this
in your
one.
soup. Yeah, it's a good one.
Boom.
Nice.
I know my soup.
All right, now you got to get 2 more. This is one more. you
Oh
haven't
my
seen.
God, you gotta get 2 more. You gotta.
Yes.
This is off. CJ, yours are like so long. Like this would take absolutely forever.
They're supposed to, yeah. So select all
yeah.
images you'd use as a wallpaper to seem adventurous.
Oh my gosh, these are awesome. Guys, you have all outdone yourselves with these. These are just the funniest.
I might need to fix that. I think the beach is adventurous. Yeah, you got it.
Yes! Take that, scammers. Guys, we should do this again sometime just for fun because that was an absolute blast. I really sincerely enjoyed all of your CAPTCHAs, and what a wide range of styles we all did for this too. So that is hilarious. Kitboga, if you like these, let us know.
We'll leave you today with producer Randy attempting to hit a note on Scott's CAPTCHA.
There we go.
Whoa!
We're in.
Nice.
Took a little get there, but we got
That
there.
is how you do it, though. That is how
Yeah.
you do it.